Winds are really picking up. Try to get this one in. Up and down safely. Alright, one tick of flaps. Full throttle. Yeah, she lifts up really nicely. Gears are up, flaps are up. I have a 3300 6S battery, and it's shoved all the way to the front as far as it goes. Actually, there's really only one place to put it lengthwise on this China hobby. It's shoved all the way to the front or all the way to the back, whichever way you want to look at it. I don't think you'd get a longer battery in there. You could put a fatter battery in, but lengthwise this one's about petered out. If I could fly without mosquitoes one morning, I'd have a good time, I think. I'm actually kind of surprised because this is getting buffeted pretty good up there, causing a fairly consistent wing rock. And for it to have such stumpy little wings, I'm actually kind of surprised on that. Of course, it does have that big wide lifting body fuselage, but she's definitely getting bit in the turns. This would definitely benefit from a gyro, I think. Actually, all the jets could. But you'd probably have to do some creative arrangement in there to get it to set level. I don't know if that's translating in the video or not, but it's almost like the plane is wobbling. I noticed it on the flight earlier this morning. It's not so bad that you can't control it, but let's just say I would not want to take my fingers off the sticks. Or my thumbs. I'm actually a thumb flyer. I feel like if you took your thumbs off the sticks on a turn, when the wind's up underneath there, it could probably put you in a bad situation. Overhead shot. Yeah, she's definitely woggling. 30 seconds. Let's bring around here for a gear pass. Gears deploying. One tick of flaps. See if we can fight this wind here on the landing. Time expired. Alright, Yak-130. Would like to know what that, bring the flaps up. Would like to know what's causing that wiggle in it. It's like I said, the wind is picked up, but it's probably no more than a 7-mile-an-hour constant. Can't really articulate it in a flag over there because it's coming at a crosswind. Alright, Yak-130. FMS Yak-130. 70mm. Thanks for watching.